It was like a pink nightmare. Are you happy wearing that? Do you want to take it off? Okay, tell the kid to take it off. All right, you'll only
This
wear it
is.
for next Sarah, just go on and take it off.
Did you have a stroke?
No.
I have to figure this out?
Mhm.
Clean the papers.
What is it referring to?
I know you hate the heat, but once you hit the ton, your excitement will double ton.
Maybe he needs to go a little further in his package.
You
Yeah.
can sled anytime, just don't be a belly shover and always armor.
Did you get everything you wanted?
Always avoid the cherry tops that give coupons. Did this?
It's okay. Open the package.
So
Then
keep the dirty side down, put on that brain bucket, hit the big slab, and never lay it down.
Sit over there behind the desk.
just open the package. We'll go from there.
Wow, that's a toughie.
Bean's pretty excited.
I get like.
Bella is really excited for you. Look how excited Bella is.
About to burst. That's fabulous. That's absolutely fabulous.
That doesn't go with your green pants either, though.
Do I have to wear this with my putt now when I'm driving around? Sam Team Honda. That's the coolest thing ever. Why is there an owner's manual? Why is there an owner's manual? Why is there an owner's manual?
I don't know. What else is in there? I know you like antiques. What else is in there?
Oh, it was beautiful. I can hardly wait to try it out.
You guys are gonna make me sweat. What is this? Why?
What's
Why
that?
is-
I know you like antique
Why is there-
antique books.
This is not okay. What is this in reference to? These aren't. Okay, they are. Why are they? What is this about? This is a joke to something? This is a
No.
joke to something. What are these two?
I don't know. What kind of
That
books are those?
says CX500.
Okay, what
I
is
don't
that?
have a CX500.
No, who does?
Well, what are you guys doing? I'm gonna cry. Why are you giving me these things?
Because it's yours now.
No, it isn't.
Uh-huh.
Stop shooting animals or birds. Except the puppets and dogs.
I don't.
Be careful, Ralphie.
I'm missing something.
Uh-uh.
The books and the key are mine.
Uh-huh. And the motorcycle that's in the garage.
No.
Mhm.
No,
That's
it's
what
not.
your new shirt's for.
Days before Christmas's eyes would begin to
The Honda.
wild and ravenous light.
You got me a motorcycle.
I did.
You got me his motorcycle.
I did.
That.
That one.
What's the story here? What's going on?
There's no story.
I don't know what you mean.
Why?
Dad got a new motorcycle. He was gonna sell it. Someone had to buy it.
It's only 79 cents.
Yeah.
This family needs that bear every bit as much as he needs you.
What? You guys aren't serious.
Uh-huh. Here, open the bag. Open the bag, it'll help.
Back.
Just open the bag.
My heart's gonna explode.
Open the bag. Open the bag.
No. Oh my gosh. You you didn't really. You didn't.
What's in the bag?
Sweet baby Jesus. You guys seriously got me your motorcycle. You're giving me your motorcycle.
Uh-huh. I am. Yeah.
You bought his
I
motorcycle
bought
from
his
him
motorcycle.
to give to me.
Yeah. And what's in the bag? Does it fit? Try it on.
The
Does it fit?
It doesn't fit.
Yeah, we'll take it back.
And if you push the
So it has sunglasses.
Okay, now push the little red thing in the front.
It's on the chin.
You push it, and the whole thing lifts up.
So it can be just a face helmet. Or just a...
You gotta
No.
push it the right way.
The jaw.
Click it, and the whole jaw flips
Oh,
up.
oh, oh. Oh, gotcha. Oh my goodness.